Playful Puppy, An Adventure in the Park. Igloo books. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Puppy is playing at the park, but he's lost his ball. Ruff, can you help me find it? He asks Bunny. Boing, boing. I look under these leaves, says Bunny, hopping over, but Puppy's ball is nowhere to be found. By the pond, Puppy and Bunny see Duck. Have you seen my ball? Asks Puppy, wagging his tail. Quack, quack. Duck flaps his wings and splashes around the pond. I'm sorry, Puppy, he quacks. I can't find your ball anywhere. Quack, quack. Just then, Puppy hears a rustling in a tree. Is my ball up there? Woof! He asks Squirrel. Squirrel searches his tree high and low. I can't find your ball up here, he chatters. Poor Puppy feels very disappointed. Suddenly, another playful puppy bounds over and asks, Ruff, is this your ball? Woof! Yes, it is, Ruff. Would you like to play? Asks Puppy excitedly. Puppy and his friends play ball happily all afternoon. Ruff, 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 quack, 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 boing, boing, boing. Bye-bye.